Turn me loose from your hand. Let me fly to distant land, over great hills, trees and mountains, loud and forest fountains, home along the lanes of the sky. For this dark and lonely room projects a shadow casting blue on my eyes, the mirrors of the world outside, thinking of the ways that the wind can turn the tide. And these shadows turn from purple into gray. Oh, there's just skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, the skyline pigeon fly towards the dreams he left so very far behind. Fly away, the skyline pigeon fly towards the dreams he left so very far behind. Let me wake up in the morning with the smell of new morning, to laugh and cry, to live and die in the brightness of the day. I wanna hear the feeling wheels of this dark journey sing, but most of all is free, taking it away. And open out the skates towards the sun. For there's just skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that we can spread